Hi guys, just want to do a quick video for you today. Another option for how you could send me your spelling sentences or any assignment that we do where you're going to need to type something, which I think there will be some in the coming weeks here. So a great option, which I know you've used at school at one time or another, is Google Docs. So once again, go to the main Google page and come over to the top right-hand corner. This little icon up here in the top right-hand corner, I think there's an official name for it, but I always think of it as like a waffle. So I call it the Google waffle. So if you click on the Google waffle, that's going to give you all the options down here of different apps Google has. Now, Google Docs is the blue one right here. And when you click on that, it's going to take you to the Google Docs page. Um, If it doesn't, it means you're not logged in, and you need to type in your email and your password, and then you'll be able to go to this page. You'll want to click on if you're starting a new one, you'll want to click on blank, and that should basically just open up a new document for you. Now, at this point, for parents that are seeing this, it's a lot like just using Microsoft Word, but it's all web-based, so it's not being saved on your computer itself. It's being saved on the web. Um, so the first thing I always like to do is up in the top left, I like to rename it. So we called it spelling sentences. And I'll put number 27. Okay, so that'll be good there. Then it works like a Word document. So if I click on center here, I can say lesson number 27, and then click back over here, and then you could just start your sentences. Okay, spider my nose. Now you would go through then and do all 20. I know guys, kids, if you guys like to change the font, that's okay. If you want to change the size, that's okay. Please make sure I can read it. As always, like we talk about with Baby Yoda in class, don't make Baby Yoda cry. Make sure you use capitals, periods. And it's just another way that you can send assignments to me or things like that. So once you have this done, here's the easy part. If you just go up to the top right corner where it says share, click on that. And then basically here's where you type in the email address of whoever you want to share it with. So if it was something that you just wanted to send with me, you would type T Irons, and you'll see it'll pop up right away. If I was going to share it with Mrs. Lay, I would do P Lay, and there's hers would just pop up. Now at that point, I would click send, and then this document would be sent to Mrs. Lay or whoever you have in there. You could send it to multiple people if you need to send it to both of us. Now, the other thing is it can be changed. If I can put comments on it, and you'll get that back as well. So just another tool that we'll be using here in the coming weeks, Google Docs. The other thing I wanted to mention is there is a Google Docs app that you could use on your phone or on your iPad. So if you'd rather use one of those devices, it'll work just about the same way. It's usually a few things here and there, but just make sure you log in with your school email and your password, and hopefully that works for you. Hope you guys have a great weekend. I miss you. Hope to see you soon.